Okay, hello everybody and welcome to my craft channel. I started making this poinsettia wreath earlier, but I was kind of running into a lot of trouble with it. So at first I was going to say forget it. I wasn't going to show how I did it, but I changed my mind. I said, well, I could go back and at least explain how I did it anyway. So I kind of took them apart, kind of kept them in the right spot so I can show you. So I had to really straighten out the flowers. I just didn't like the way it looked, and I had to kind of rearrange it all myself. But these are all silver poinsettias, as you see. I glued berries on there, so of course, as you see, I can't take those off. I just want to leave those on. There. This is the very top up here. And I put one there. I put some berries over here too. It turned out really beautiful. What I want to explain here is this angel here. I got this beautiful angel from Dollar Tree, but this is Velcro down here that I got her on. Oh, makes it hard to get off, but as you see, I can't really glue her down either because she's got batteries. And you got to be careful with her because this part kind of come out there a little bit, but that's how she is. I thought she was beautiful. It would go really great with this. So, and she looks beautiful right in the middle of the wreath. So, I think I'm going to put her back on. Wrong way. Yeah, you can't glue her down either because you got batteries to change on her, and you know, it'd be too much trouble. It'd be kind of, I did try to find other Dollar Tree ornaments, you know, to put in the middle, maybe the light up ones, but I saw this angel and I thought, oh my God, she's beautiful. She would look beautiful in this craft. She really would. Okay. As I said, I can't take the berries off because they're already glued down, so. Okay. Pine cones. I also put pine cones. What you do on one side, you do to the other. And I hope everybody is ready for Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I'm making homemade lasagna tomorrow. And probably Christmas Day I'll end up making a roast. I'll move this over a little bit more. So I'm going to put this at the bottom there. That's where I had it. Pine cone is there. Yeah, I just could not get this right earlier. And I don't know. Some of the leaves on here, I kind of had to glue them because sometimes you get leaves from Dollar Tree and they're kind of messed up. Put it over here. Now you can see it better. Okay, let me see. I'm going to try to fit another one in here. I don't know. I don't know if I should leave it as it is or, let's put that better so you can see it better, or add some more berries to it. I was thinking I got some extra berries over here, maybe add some over here. A lot of people will put flowers like through there, but I tried that earlier. I don't know. It looked too crowded to me. It just didn't look right, so I didn't put any on there. So I don't want to cover up the berries. I burned my fingers a few times just trying to get these on. I think I'll put some around the angel, maybe. I'm going to have to remove this. Hopefully you can see all right. I got my Christmas present early. I got a gooseneck tripod. That's what I was wanting for Christmas, and I love it. I love how it turned out. Put a berry there, berries there. Maybe I shouldn't put it so close to her because I'm going to have to change that eventually. And New Year's is going to be here before we know it. So I definitely hope we all have a great New Year. That would be wonderful. And I'll put this one over here. Glue this on here. I don't want to get it too close to the Velcro because, like I said, I would have to remove that. I don't know, that's not sticking too much. Don't like the way that looks. Let's see. I think I'll just leave that as it is. So. Okay, what do you think? I hope you guys like it. But I loved it with the angel, so hopefully you like it, and hopefully I would love to hear your opinions on it. I would really love to hear that. So, and I hope everybody has a very Merry Christmas. And, you know, this is kind of late getting this out, so maybe by next year somebody will have some inspiration or give you an idea to maybe do it better than I did. Wouldn't that be nice? So everybody have a very beautiful Christmas. I shall see you in my next video, and bye-bye for now.